Well, here we are. I'm back again. It's Johnyboy, and we're in the garden as per usual. One thing I want to talk about is how to lay a patio. And on recent videos, we haven't given really a detailed account of how to lay a patio. Right, so what we're going to do, we're going to start firstly this morning about sub base. So important that when you put a patio in a pedestrian area, i.e. a back garden like this, you must have 4 inches compacted sub base. That's finished. 4 inches compacted, then your laying course, and then whatever paving product you decide to use. As you can see at the moment, we haven't compacted this yet, but already we're more or less about 25 mil below 2 bricks below damp course. All right, so that's 2.5 bricks below damp course at present. We'll talk about this a little bit more in detail later on, but it's so important that when you're putting your sub base in, it needs to be dry, and there are no soft pockets in the substrate being the final dig. Okay, the final dig. So we've got 4 inches going on here now. We haven't compacted it, we haven't scratched it around and levered it off yet, but there's the basic. 4 inches compacted sub base, 1.5 inch laying course, and then whatever your paving product is.